beautiful day. Karong adlaw, ang vlog is about doing my doctor's appointment and going to the licensing to get Mark's driver's permit. So muna itong kaon karong adlaw sa YouTube at tangi ang among Bisaya in Washington. Na init na kayo. Sige, kita-kits tayo niya. Bye.